Page 33, Corn on the Cob. Here we're just using stuff we already know, and we're using our new notes, and we got rests all over the place, so let's look it over. It's 2 lines long, treble and bass clef, 4/4 time signature. I see half notes and quarter notes and whole notes and the rests and all that stuff going on. We're using our new note, the F, that we've learned. I want to take it one hand at a time because the hands are playing at the same time, and I want to make sure I understand what each hand is doing first before I put them together. So the right hand, I'm starting with 3rd finger on E here, and that puts the hand here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. You get the idea? I'm just playing what it tells me to play, whatever it is. I know it doesn't make sense. It's not necessarily supposed to because the other hand needs to be there. Speaking of the other hand, let's try it. We're here, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Isn't this fun? Okay. Go to the second line. Here, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's a different rhythm than the other hand. Put the hands together, and again, I want to know when each hand is doing, and when I'm playing at the same time, which fingers are involved. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Now I'm playing these notes at the same time. 1, and then I'm playing these notes. So I'm going here. Now that's different. Haven't had that before, so we may have to work on that. And then the second line, it's 1, 2, 1, 2. And here, we've had these together before. Okay. So you go through and put the hands together, and then go back through the tricky spots and get rid of the hesitation, so it's a steady beat. And again, play this without looking at the keyboard eventually. You may have to look at first, but you want to get to where you don't. Then we can think about the interpretation and the natural accents. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Feel these natural accents. 1, 2. If you want, then you can think about the phrasing. This is a little weird here. The first line is a phrase. It's a musical thought. That's one thought. You can connect all that together. At the end of the line, you lift up before you go on. So there's a little silence. But here they put in a bunch of commas. Nibble, nibble, nibble. So if you want that, you have to... If you want to do that, that's up to you. That's interpreting. Nibble. You're just cutting the E a little bit short. So I'm connecting this and this, but I'm not connecting this to this. And then lift up. You want to do that? If you don't like that, it's too choppy for you, then go ahead and just connect them. If you just don't like that, then just connect the whole second line together. So there's different ways of interpreting the music. You try them all out, and you decide what you like, and you go with that. If you have a teacher, they may tell you what you like for now, and that's fine. As long as you study on them, under them, you do what your teacher tells you to do. Another teacher may tell you something different. That's just the way it works. That's one way of playing it. Don't copy me. You get into it and you feel it how you think it should be. Let's play it together very slowly and double check the notes and the rhythms. I am going to lift up. I'm going to lift up at the end of the first line, and I'm going to lift up at the half note in the second line for the phrasing. So I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4.